Right, so Monday morning, first job, and got called to a leak coming, well, water coming out from underneath the pan of a toilet. Now this is a close coupled toilet, so needless to say, can't see anything until the toilet's out, but it only leaks when it's flushed. So that tells you almost 100% that it's on the pan connector or the donut washer. It's not on the cold mains, otherwise it would be leaking. The pool will be there all the time. So, because I can't see anything, I'm going to have to shut the water off. Can't get to any isolation valves. Shut the water off to the house, flush the toilet, remove the system fixings and fixings for the pan to the floor, and pull her out and see if I can see what's going on. So I'll catch back up with you when I'm inside. So basically, as you can see now, it's got a fixed position pan connector, not a flexible one. I've felt around where the donut washer is, on the system brackets, etc. Everything's bone dry. So my plan now is to change that pan connector for a flexible one, so I can corrugate, is that the right word? Pull it out, push it on the back of the toilet and into the soil pipe, get the water back on, flush it several times, just to see if everything's bone dry. If it is bone dry, it was clearly the pan connector. But because it's close coupled, you can't see it push back in and see what's going on. So I absolutely hate them. And Y-Flexes come in handy from time to time like this. So don't hate. Not got a clue, but it's dry. Shorten this back's too long to accommodate a flexi. Well, it won't. You know, so. It. Get it put back together again now. Pack the tools away now for that one. As you can see, the flexi worked a treat in that situation. Just needed to shorten the soil pipe down a bit. Tested it multiple times. Seems all good. Sorry I couldn't get much speaking and explaining footage. The customer was on an important meeting, so I had to be quiet. We called out to is a burst. I'll just show you what's actually burst. I can remember which side it's on. It's not that one. Guys, benefit. It's definitely burst. I'll change it out for this tap. It's one of the flexes what's burst. These are just rubber lined. This braided hose on to protect the rubber. The rubber's obviously split. In this Raise Tools tap set with the monoblock long reach sockets. So I can't actually get my tap spanners in this because there's not enough space. Just gonna go up on there like that. Worked a treat. Couldn't film it though because needed 2 hands. Brew room back. Not someone's kitchen. Dropped in. Way. Of course I got wrong size socket on. 3rd time lucky. It's finally tightening up. You can't see because my bloody hand's in the way. Lovely. Perfect. Yeah, everything dried off now. Job done. What's up guys? So basically I've got a push fit pipe on a job. I need to put a T into said pipe. I haven't got any push fit waste pipe which is smaller than solvent. I've only got solvent waste pipe. So I'm going to show you a little hack of how you get around this. First of all, on your new fitting, flick out the O-ring. Put that to one side. And with a blow lamp on a really low flame, swarm the end of the pipe up, turning it as you go. You don't want to scorch the pipe, just until it becomes soft. Probably really great for the atmosphere, this. Stretch the pipe out. Like I say, best doing this with gloves on. Now where you're fitting with the no O-ring in, just guide it in and twist. And once it's cooled, you rubber back in. Perfect. Oh, that helps somebody. What's happening, guys? If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and if you're new here, subscribe. My name's Dan. We put out some pretty novice content here. Catch you on the next one.